Good afternoon, my babies. Welcome back to my channel. What's Cooking Mama? And today we'll be making curry beef and lamb and a tossed salad. I'll show you how to do the curry beef and lamb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to season up my beef and lamb first. I'm going to start out with, my typical adobo. Don't put too much. I don't want to make it too salty. Take that out. Garlic powder. Onion powder. I got a little curry powder. Gotta have curry powder. And some black pepper. I like it a little spicy. Black pepper. And some thyme. This is the ground thyme. Most people will probably get the fresh thyme. I just opt to use the ground thyme because you don't have to put that much. So it's just convenient for me. And then I'm just gonna mix this up. Okay, in the pot right here, I'm going to put some oil in the pot, just a little, to what they call like cook the curry, because you don't want to put your meat into cold raw curry, because it'll come out, it'll be grainy or whatever. You don't want that graininess, so you just have to watch it and cook it a little bit. So you just want to heat this up. And you just stir. Cook it. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of let me put my meat in first. So you dump your meat in to the curry after you done cooked it a little bit. And you turn it around like this. Turn it in the curry. Excuse me. So I can get coated with that cooked curry. Once again. Wash my hands, I should say. Let me put some hot water. So you have to cover your water. Then you put in, I had already cut up some tomatoes and onions and green peppers, and I'll just put them off in there. Give it a stir. Nice stir. Because remember, this meat doesn't have any bones in it or anything. Some more water, hot water. And we're going to cover it. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I finished cooking my beef and lamb curry. And as you can see, it's done, and I'm gonna get me some rice. I made some brown rice, and it's ready, and we're putting it over. This is my beef and curried lamb with tossed salad, and it's over brown rice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.